all are one, and we all can live as
What's up, guys? I'm Olaf Blackwood.
Hi, this is Red Fox.
This is Cultureexchange, aka the bomber.
How much flame do you lose if you use your candle and light somebody else's candle?
One Africa,
Knowledge of oneself is key.
One blood,
one power, one destiny.
one heart.
Reggae music, love reggae, brand Jamaica to the world. I want to thank Dana Ray Rock, the Rock Factory scene, and the Black Star Renaissance Initiative.
Big up Rock and the Rock Factory. You don't know if you make this thing happen. Yeah, man.
Boys, I mean, it's love